वारा जमनी संदर्भात कायदो खात्यान विचार करून उलोवपाक जाय. जमीन परत घेवपाचो हक्कच ना आनी प्रश्न येना. नाका आशिल्ले विशय करून लोकांक चाळोवन घालचे न्ही अशें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलें.
काल 70 कितें तरी कोण तरी बैठक करपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी आमचें एकूच वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर एज फार एज आवर गव्हर्मेंट इज कन्सर्न. इट इज द BJP गव्हर्मेंट अंडर मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर that had brought this act in order to resolve the issues of long pending issues of Alwara land issues in Sattari. I want to go on record to tell the media, through your medium, to the people and give a very clear signal that we are with the people. There is nobody who can take away the land from the people of the state of Goa. तो विषय जो हा ते लोक काही लोक and काही vested interests हे लोक लोकांक भडकोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. हे गरज ना भडकोवपाक. And also I strongly believe that even when officers draft acts and even when the law department drafts such acts, land will be taken back and reverted back to the government. अरे इतले वर्साचे लोकांचे पोझिशनान असलेले लँड तुम्ही आणि कशे घेतले परत? असले गोष्टी जाऊ नये. खंय तरी लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान लक्ष घालूंक जाय की जेन्ना भाशा जे वापरता हेजेच मागीर गैरफायदो आनी कोण तरी घेता आनी लोकां मदीं अननेसेसरी भय निर्माण करपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
लोकांक हे आलवारा जमनी आपल्या नावार करतना त्रास जातले ताचेर मार्ग काडपाक मेळटा. त्या खातीर महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे कडेन उलयला. लोकांचे मागणे आसले की सरकारान ती जमीन लोकांच्या नावार करची अशें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे म्हणटा.
आनी म्हाका बी दिसता की when you go to places like करंजोळ, कुमटळ आनी हे सगळे गरीब जो भाग हा तेंची कितें विनंती आशिल्ली. नाव इन ऑर्डर बिकॉज द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज कम अप विथ अ पॉलिसी टू गिव रायट्स टू द पीपल आनी म्हणूनच द थिंग इज दॅट ऑल दीज ओल्ड Alwara documents are all in Portuguese. People are finding it very difficult to get them translated in time. And also the cost that is being charged, you will be surprised, the cost that is charged is anywhere between 500 to 1000 rupees a page for translation only. So a lot of people are doing their best to get this translated and they are finding this timeline set by the government not appropriate and sufficient. So I have already requested Revenue Minister that yesterday also I spoke to him. Today I have officially written a letter to him that this timeline should be increased and there has to be a timeline given. Second thing is there cannot be an objective of raising revenue from these people, these poor people. I believe that in an area like Sattari, I am talking today on behalf of only on the people of Sattari, as I am a member of the assembly from Sattari and Valpoi constituency, where large amount of areas, Alwara area issue is there in Valpoi and surrounding areas of Morle, Keri, Karanjol, Kumtal and many other places.
म्हज्या मतदारसंघातल्या लोकांकडेन इतले पयशे ना. सरकारान जमनीचो दर कमी करचो अशी मागणी महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे कडेन केला अशें राणेन सांगलें.
We feel that that 5 rupee rate needs to be re-looked at by the government. I feel that it should be not more than, if it was 50 paisa, it should have been increased to 1 rupee. It cannot be more than 1 rupee. My people do not have the money or resources to pay that kind of money. Our people are very poor. They live of their daily earnings and it is very difficult for them to raise any kind of money to have these rights. And even though the government says that we are giving you rights, pay money, but I feel 5 rupees calculation needs to be re-looked at and should be reduced to 1 rupee. That is a request that I put in my letter and sent to Revenue Minister today.
संस्था घेऊन सभा घेतली म्हूण कांयच फायदो ना. अशें सभा कितलेशेच घेवपाक शकता असो चिमटो सत्तरी भूमिपुत्र संघटनेक काडला.
राजकारण कसलेच ना. आमी सत्तरीचे उलयता. संस्था भूमिपुत्र बी करपाची काय गरज ना आनी तेजो काय फायदो बी जावचो ना. हांव बी 2 की 5,000 लोकांक घेवन मिटींग करूं शकता पूण तो मुद्दो ना हांगा. हांगा शो स्ट्रेंथचो प्रश्न ना. काय ब्रूट फोर्स घेवन थंय मिटींग घेतली आनी लोकांक सांगले आनी भाशण दिलें, दॅट इज ऑल्सो नॉट द इशू. इशू हियर इज the genuine request put forward by the people. Like I said, 3 things. One is reduction in rate, one is extension of time, and one is installment to be given to the people to make the payment. I would like to make it very clear that I will be with the people and I will fight for the people on this issue to see that this issue is resolved and with pure and total clarity and transparency.